Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago and I'm a web developer and investor. And in today's video we are going to review Ripple XRP. We are going to check some news about that the company is still strong and some comments of Brad Garlinghouse telling that Ripple XRP it will maybe go public after the lawsuit. We also are going to check the price action on XRP and we are going to see many interesting news of the project. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and click the bell to get the notifications. And without anything else, let's go into it. Hey guys, well, in terms of the price action, reviewing super quickly, we have this chart of XRP on a daily candles. We can see how this rectangle was first resistance at this time in 2020, here again, and once we broke it, we held it as support here. Once we break this down, it was resistance again. We create this double bottom here, and from here we went parabolic again to $1.30, held it as support again here, and now we are below that rectangle. So this rectangle has a lot of confluence on support and resistance, and actually mark a really nice level above the 65 cents to the last local top at almost $2, and below that it was like another story. We went from 18 cents to 65 cents. That is the other channel that we have here. So we have two different channels here divided by this rectangle of support and resistance. So for me this is super valid right now, and we are below that. So the expectation for this are that maybe we can create some double top formation like happened here. This was around 53 cents. So we held this price action until 55. Right now we are at 61, but still we could go back again to 50 cents. 50 cents it will be the line of support right now. We also have some confluence here on the BPBR for trading volume at the same levels that we have these weeks. So this will be a line of support right now. So above 50 we are still comfortable of this zone, but we don't have so much support here. So if we break the 50, then we can go to 45, which we have another peak here on the BPBR of trading volume. And if we lose that, then I think we could go to 36 or even 30. So that would be very bad news if we go below 50 cents for XRP. In the bullish scenario, of course, the first move needs to be done by Bitcoin. Bitcoin needs to go above 40. If Bitcoin does that, then we need to go about 80 cents for XRP, being above this rectangle to have some support here. But anyways, the thing doesn't look good for the crypto market in general. XRP is actually in danger for the price action in the short term. We also are here in this downtrend descending channel. If I took this as a fake out breakout of this, then we have lower highs from April 2021, lower highs, and a base here with the rectangle. This is a descending triangle that still could be valid. So that is a bearish pattern. In terms of the news, this caught my attention because Brad Garlinghouse predicts that Ripple will go public. And I wonder why they talk about that in the interview. But in a recent interview, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse said that the San Francisco-based company would eventually go public in the future. I think ultimately the future for Ripple is that we will be a public company. As of now, holding an initial public offering is not a priority for the company, which is in the middle of the legal battle with the US Securities and Exchange Commission. But Garlinghouse has reiterated that Ripple is waiting for the resolution of the landmark lawsuit in order to move forward with the IPO plans. He has once again accused the Securities Exchange Commission of dragging its feet, claiming that the regulator keeps trying to delay the litigation process. As reported by You Today, the expert discovery deadline has been extended to late February 28 at the request of both parties. So I was wondering why Brad Garlinghouse would mention about going public in the situation that we are right now with the lawsuit, Maybe he has some information that the lawsuit is going into an end on Q1 2022. That is what everybody is expecting. Ripple wins this lawsuit. I think that would be super bullish for the crypto market in general. And that will put the price of XRP again above $1 and probably go to $2 or $3 super quickly, because all the exchanges will start listing XRP again, and the adoption of XRP will probably grow exponentially after that. In another important news, Ripple is in its strength financial position despite SEC lawsuit. And this was very important. San Francisco-based blockchain company Ripple has reached a valuation of $15 billion after buying back shares from the investors who participate in its Series C round. And this is a chain of Twitters that Brad Garlinghouse sent the 25th of January. And he says that the company has a war chest of $1 billion. Last month, Garlinghouse said that 2021 was the strongest year in the company history. And all that besides the lawsuit situation. And we can see here in Twitter that Brad Garlinghouse said 2022 slowdown is not in our vocabulary. Even with the 2022 headwinds, referring to the SEC lawsuit, it was our best year on record, and Ripple financial position, $1 billion in the bank, is the strongest we have ever been. And he continues saying, RippleNet is much more than cross-border payments. It's bringing crypto-native services such as liquidity to enterprise. Today, the network has a volume run rate about 10 billion. Ripple X full speed ahead on establishing a multitude of capabilities to the XRP ledger, NFTs, CBDCs, interoperability bridges, sidechains, and so much more, working hand in hand with devs and partners around the world. It's a multi-chain war after all. So I think this part of the tweet is the most important one. We can see here how he mentions NFTs and CBDCs. And not so sure about NFTs, but in terms of CBDCs, there are not many competitors. We know about Stellar Lumens and a couple of other crypto that maybe are working with central banks to create CBDCs. But we know for sure that Ripple is leading that new implementation, and that is super huge. Also, we have Flare Network and other things moving sideways to use the ledger of XRP and using smart contracts for that. And the last thing for that tweet, the most interesting thing, however, is that after these purchases, the overall valuation of the company rises to 15 billion compared to 9.8 billion in 2019. So in just over 2 years, the overall value of the company has grown by a 53%, which is a lot if you consider the lawsuit. If you want to make money while you're holding your crypto, then I recommend you to use an automation platform. This is Bitsgap.com, where you can trade with bots automatically while you're holding your crypto. I did 2 videos 2 months ago on how to configure Bitsgap and how to configure everything for your bots. So in that video, I explained in almost 30 minutes how to configure each thing of the platform. And with this video, you will be able to start trading with the bot 24 hours. Even if you are sleeping, you will be making money with this. And this works really good also in the downtrend. So right now it's a very good opportunity to use this platform. If you go and register with my affiliate link, you help the channel, but you also get 2 weeks free of this platform with a premium account. The premium account costs $150, so you will have it free for 2 weeks, so you can test it and see how it works. And how are we in the lawsuit process right now? When in a recent hearing of court, US Security and Exchange Commission has got time until February 17 to respond against the court's early order to report documents against Ripple Labs. During the last hearing of the case on January 13, Sarah Netburn ordered the Security Exchange Commission to provide some documents related to previous cases and commissions working on them. Those documents included notes of private meetings of SEC officials with third parties related to Ethereum during that case, other than that draft of the speech of former SEC Director William Hinman in 2018, which stated that BTC and Ethereum were not securities. After the order, Ripple officials and XRP investors almost considered their final call for a win. Still, in a recent hearing, the Commission got aid from the reporting document until February 17. The SEC repulsed against the order and Judge Sarah give more time as the Commission demanded. So yeah, even if there's still delays and the SEC is pushing back and delaying everything, the most clear picture here is that probably Ripple will win or settle this case, and that will have a huge impact for not only Ripple but for the crypto space in general. Well guys, that will be all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Big news about Ripple, still strong, still planning going public after this lawsuit, and the lawsuit will have news in February 17. So we still need to be tuned to that and wait for those news. And in terms of the price action, we are still in danger, but everything will depend on Bitcoin does. That will be all guys. Before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel and click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you tomorrow with a new video. Bye.